How to update information on Temu account. Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel and let us get started. Launch your Temu application from your device and just like so, get logged into your Temu account. In order to update your account information on your Temu, tap on the Use section from your bottom bar. Then here, you will see a settings icon on your top right hand side. Open it. You will see account security. Open that option. And now here, if you want to edit your email address, you can do so by tapping on this edit option. If you would like to add a phone number, you can tap on add just beside this phone number option. If you would like to change your password, you can also do so by tapping on this edit button under password line. And if you would like to turn on two-factor authentication, you have to go for this step and turn on the two-factor authentication. And just like so, if you would like to update your payment methods, tap on your payment methods, and here, just like so, you can update it. That wraps up today's tutorial. Thank you all for watching the video till the very end. If it had helped you in any ways, then do like and subscribe.